Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Scholarite Media. We will continue with our course on JavaScript for beginners. In this particular video, we will discuss about the ways in which we can display the content on the browser. So there are a number of ways with which we can display content on the browser using HTML and JavaScript. We will talk about all of these methods one by one. So the first method is by using a inner HTML property. This property would be ideally set on a document object. It needs a reference to a div element in which we are going to update the changes. So we will discuss how an inner HTML works. To start with an example of displaying content using inner HTML, let us first create a HTML. We have created a HTML using the HTML tags. Now I would be creating a body tag. In the body tag, for now, let's just create a sample div tag. Div tag is nothing but a block element. It is similar to a body tag, but is confined to certain block. Here the meaning of block element is that it takes a particular portion in the screen. So this is within a body, and this will be the first block in the body. So that is what a div tag is. Like we have learnt about attributes which are set on the tags, we also have attributes that we could set on a div tag. For now, I am setting an attribute called ID. Here ID is nothing but a reference attribute that we are setting to a div element. With this reference attribute, we can make use of this particular div tag in our JavaScript. So let me mention this as div1. We will refer to this div element with ID div1. Now let us write some JavaScript code. In order to write a JavaScript code, we have to mention it within a script tag. Here we are going to make use of the document object. And to reference the div element, we need a function called getElementById, which is going to refer to the div element. And here the ID would be div1. I want to make use of the inner HTML property. Right now, you can see that within the div element, there is no other content mentioned. So I want to assign something for a reference. So this is what we are assigning to the div element. Let us run this and check what the output is going to be. You can see that on the screen, I can some data. This is how you make use of the inner HTML attribute to update data in the HTML. Please share, subscribe, and comment on the video. Thank you for watching.